Hi, fifth grade math. Today we're talking about changing mixed numbers to improper fractions. Now, I actually introduced this to you in yesterday's lesson, so this is actually almost review for you. Woohoo, right? It's very, very easy. To make a mixed number an improper fraction, all you do is go around like this. I multiply my denominator by my whole number. Then I add that answer to my numerator. That answer becomes my new numerator, and then my denominator stays the same. Okay? So let's try that with this example. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 plus 9 is, plus 2 is 9. Gave that away. So that equals 9 on the top, and your denominator stays the same, 9/7. Easy peasy, right? Let's try now a couple more. We're gonna do exercise 1, letters A, B, C, and D together. I have 7 and 1/2. I'm going to start by multiplying. 2 times 7 is 14. Now I take that answer, 14 plus 1 is 15. Very good. And my denominator stays the same, 2. Now I have 5 3/4. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. My denominator stays the same, so it's 4. 9 3/7. Start with multiplication. 7 times 9 is 63. 63 plus 3 is 66 over 7. Last one. 6 3/8. 8 times 6 is 48. Plus 3. 51. So I have 51 over 8. Good job. All right, number 2, is subtraction of mixed numbers. For letter A, B, and D, you do not need to borrow. You do need to make like denominators, common denominators for A and B, but you won't need to borrow. Letter C, you will need to borrow. So we're going to do that one together to get some more practice. I have 5 2/9 minus 3 2/3. I need to change the 9 and the 3 so that they are the same. So I'm looking for the least common denominator. What's the least common denominator for 9 and 3? 9. Good job. This fraction doesn't change because the denominator did not change, so it stays 2. But this one it did. I multiply 3 by 3 to get 9. So I need to multiply my numerator by 3 as well. And that is 6. Now 6 cannot be subtracted from 2 because 6 is greater than 2. So I'm going to borrow from the 5. It leaves me with 4. I need my denominator of my new fraction to be the same, so I can add it in, and my numerator has to be the same as the denominator. My new number will be 4, and 9 plus 2 is 11 over 9, minus 3 6/9. 11 minus 6 is 5 over 9, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So I got 1 5/9. Always check your fraction to see if it can be reduced, and can it? Nope, so I'm good to go. All right, let's look at number 3. It says, solve these story problems. The dry cleaner charged Mrs. White 75 cents per pleat to do the living room curtains. The curtains have 46 pleats in all. What was the total charge? Oh, wow. So it says that she has to pay 75 cents per pleat, and she has a total of 46 pleats. When you see that word per, what is that telling you that you need to do? Multiply, that's right. So I'm going to multiply the 75 cents that she had to pay per pleat times the number of pleats that she did. And that answer, don't forget your dollar sign and decimal point, will be your total. Let's look at letter B. Jacob is already saving his money to buy his family's Christmas presents. He plans to buy his mother cologne for $15.45, his father a book for $13.50, and 2 toy animals at $8.55 each for his twin sisters. He has already saved $25.55. How much more must Jacob save? So first we have to find the total that he needs to be able to buy all those presents. Well, Jacob needs the present for his mom, which is $15.45. His dad's present is $13.50. And then he has his twin sisters. He wants to get them both toys, and they are $8.55 each. But he's buying 2 of them. So I'm going to multiply that by 2 to find the cost for both. 2 times 5 is 10, carry my 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11, carry my 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. So $17.10 for the toys. So I'm going to add all of that together, and that will be the total that he is going to spend. But that's not yet my answer. I know how much he saved. He saved $25.55. I want to know how much more he needs. So I have to subtract what he saved, the $25.55, from the total that he needs to find out how much more he needs to save. This will be your final answer. So add these up, subtract $25.55, and you'll get your final answer. All right, today's lesson was a little shorter than the past ones have been, so happy Friday. Have a great Friday, and I will see you another time. Bye.